Ever hit that send button only for your email app to just vanish? That frustrating moment when your crucial message disappears into the digital ether because the Newton app decided to take an unscheduled nap? If you've been there, you know the unique blend of annoyance and panic that follows. Whether it's mid-composition, during a sync, or even just when you try to open it, app crashes can feel like a digital punch to the gut, especially with an app as central to our daily communications as Newton. We rely on our email clients for everything, from connecting with colleagues and clients to managing personal finances and staying in touch with loved ones. When that lifeline suddenly breaks, it disrupts our workflow, creates delays, and can even lead to missed opportunities. And let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, a few minutes of downtime can feel like an eternity. The Newton app, with its focus on speed, features, and a streamlined experience, is designed to be a reliable workhorse. So, when it falters, it's not just an inconvenience, it's a roadblock. The good news is, for many of these frustrating Newton app crashes, there are quick, effective troubleshooting tips you can try right from your device. You don't need to be a tech wizard, and you don't necessarily need to spend hours on hold with support. Often, the solution is simpler than you think. Today, we're diving deep into the most common reasons why your Newton app might be crashing and, more importantly, a comprehensive guide to fixing those issues. We'll cover everything from the basic, universal fixes that often magically resolve things, to more specific steps for both iOS and Android users, and even when it's time to reach out for professional help. So, let's get your Newton app back up and running smoothly, so you can get back to what matters most. The universal first steps, your go-to troubleshooting toolkit. Before we dive into platform-specific solutions, there are a few general troubleshooting steps that are often surprisingly effective, regardless of whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device. Think of these as your immediate first aid for a misbehaving app. First up, the classic turn it off and on again. Seriously. A simple restart of the Newton app can clear out temporary glitches and refresh its processes. To do this, force close the app completely. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, or double-tap the home button on older iPhones to bring up the app switcher, then swipe the Newton app card upwards to dismiss it. On Android, go to your recent apps view and swipe the Newton app away, or navigate to Settings Apps Newton Force Stop. Once it's fully closed, give it a few seconds, then try reopening it. This often resolves minor, temporary software hiccups that can lead to crashes. If a simple force close and restart doesn't do the trick, the next step is to restart your entire device. This is a more thorough reset, clearing your device's RAM and closing all background processes that might be interfering with Newton. For iPhones, hold down the power button and either a volume button for newer models or just the power button for older ones until the power off slider appears. For most Android devices, hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart. Once your device reboots, try launching Newton again. You'd be surprised how often this simple act can resolve complex-seeming issues. Another common culprit for app instability is a full or nearly full storage. Just like a physical workspace, a digital one needs room to breathe. When your phone's internal storage is crammed, apps can struggle to create temporary files, store cached data, or even run their core processes efficiently, leading to crashes. Take a moment to check your device's storage. On iOS, go to Settings General iPhone Storage. On Android, it's typically Settings Storage. If you're running low, consider deleting unused apps, old photos and videos, or clearing downloaded files. Even freeing up a gigabyte or two can make a significant difference. Beyond device storage, the Newton app's own cache and data can become corrupted over time. The cache stores temporary files to help the app load faster, but if these files get corrupted, they can cause instability. Clearing the cache won't delete your important emails or account information, but it can often fix odd behavior. Clearing data, however, will reset the app to its fresh install state, meaning you'll likely have to log back into your accounts. For iOS users, you can try offloading the app, which clears its cache and frees up storage without deleting your data. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage, find Newton, and select Offload App. Then reinstall it. For Android users, go to Settings Apps Newton Storage, and you'll see options for Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start with Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, then try Clear Data, but be prepared to re-enter your account credentials. Finally, ensure your Newton app and your device's operating system are both up to date. Developers constantly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and enhance security. An outdated app might not be fully compatible with your current OS, or an outdated OS might have underlying issues that affect app performance. Check the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, for any pending Newton app updates. For your device's operating system, go to Settings General Software Update, iOS, or Settings System Update, Android. Keeping everything current is a fundamental step in maintaining app stability. Diving deeper, iOS-specific troubleshooting. If the universal tips haven't brought your Newton app back to life on your iPhone, let's look at some steps tailored for iOS. One common issue on iPhones can be related to network settings. Sometimes, corrupted network settings can interfere with how apps connect to their servers, leading to crashes, especially if Newton is trying to sync mail. You can try resetting your network settings without wiping your entire phone. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this will clear all your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, so you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials afterwards. This won't delete your personal data, but it will give your network connection a clean slate. Another potential culprit is app permissions. While less common for crashes, sometimes an app might struggle if it doesn't have the necessary permissions it expects. Double-check Newton's permissions by going to Settings Newton and reviewing what it has access to. Ensure things like local network or notifications are enabled if you want full functionality. While unlikely to cause a crash, it's worth a quick look. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.